What's the most dangerous lie in PC building? It's that your case doesn't matter, that it's just a metal box, but I'm here to tell you the wrong case can strangle your $1,000 components, turn your dream build into a noisy, overheating nightmare, and the right one is a work of art that future-proofs your entire system. Over the last few months I've tested over 50 cases from the obscure to the iconic, and after all that research, all that thermal testing, all the blood, sweat and zip ties, I've found the only 5 that truly matter in 2025, and number 1 will completely redefine what you thought was possible. Starting at number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. The 2 best ways to rate, quantitatively, how a PC case performs. How well it allows air to flow through, and how well it contains noise. As you'd guess from its name, NZXT's latest tower emphasizes that highlighted word, but that's far from its only talent. Its perforated panels look striking and premium, the chassis fit and finish are top-notch, and NZXT packed in 3 effective intake fans while keeping the price at a reasonable $129.99 MSRP. The H7 Flow feels quality, it looks great built out, and the overall thermal performance in our tests earns a proverbial chef's kiss. Anyone seeking a state-of-the-art classic mid-tower in 2024 will find this reboot of NZXT's already polished H7 Flow an excellent pick for the money. Easy cable routing and hiding mean you can build out a clean-looking rig with only modest effort. It's also very well equipped for liquid cooling, if you're looking to drop in a big radiator, or 2. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. The PC case is a DIY project of its own, even before you install any parts. That's the conceit of the clever Qube 500, which will let you IKEA your way to a cute compact PC. The Qube features an attractive, fun aesthetic in several colors, and this sturdy chassis can host both full ATX motherboards and full-size power supplies. It delivers above-average value and lots of fun for the money. The Qube 500's assemble-it-yourself ethos gives DIY-minded builders a cost-effective chassis that can also serve as a memorable family build project. And you'll have a pretty darn good case after you've had fun building it, with swappable face panels that let you spruce up the look when the fancy seizes you. Number 3. Inwin A3. Many of us use the boxing analogy, punching above your weight class when a person performs unexpectedly well. But what about a PC case? Take the Inwin A3. This micro ATX case is just a little bigger than the typical size for that class of chassis, but that upsizing gains it a big relative payoff. Add attractive looks and Inwin's distinctive styling, and the A3 is a winner for compact PC buffs who don't like to compromise. Micro ATX is that curious tweener size often neglected by serious PC builders, but micro ATX motherboards tend to be the best values in a line, and this case lets you leverage them. It's an excellent choice for performance-conscious PC builders and upgraders whose space-saving needs are tempered by some give and take. Opting for the A3 will give them excellent thermal performance for the case size. Number 4. Thermaltake View 270TG ARGB Matcha Green. This green chassis could save you some green, too. The View 270 RG ARGB gets you a bunch of typically higher-end features at a budget price. Given the View 270 RG's USB Type-C support, wraparound glass, 3 spiffy included fans, and dust filters at all fan locations, you can't ask for much more from a PC case under $100. We gave it our Editor's Choice Award for its exceptional value proposition. Not to mention the striking hue of our test model. Try finding a better green case from another maker. We'll wait here. In fairness, white and an equally striking hydrangea blue are options too, if you're not into pistachio. Call it a green giant. The View 270TG is a winner of an ATX case for gaming system builders seeking a superior value that'll free up cash for other components. It's a unique-looking case that looks and acts like it costs a bunch more than it does. Number 5. Lian Li DAN A3-mATX. A new design collaboration with case brand DAN Cases, a well-regarded German maker of compact chassis. Lian Li's DAN A3-mATX is full of details that will surely surprise its fans. It's too big to be a true compact case, but it's far from a desk hog and holds a lot of gear. And it's a very good value for the features and build quality you get. It's a Goldilocks micro ATX PC case of sorts, just about the right size for what most folks build in 2024. And that's just part of why we gave it an Editor's Choice Award. The Dan is the man if your PC build is not a liquid-cooled monster with a Godzilla video card. It's best built out with Lian Li's solid side panel, given the lack of cable finessing features, so this build will be more substance over style. But you'll have a hard time finding a better general-use micro ATX chassis for close to the same price. Lian Li and Dan deliver a noble budget effort here. So there you have it, the 5 champions, the ones that survived the gauntlet. Whether you're building a silent powerhouse, a show-stopping flagship, or the ultimate value rig, one of these is your perfect starting point. The choice is yours, but I need to know, which of these 5 are you putting your hard-earned cash into? Let me know in the comments below. The debate is officially open. If this guide saved you from analysis paralysis, please smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Share this with a friend who's planning their build. And subscribe with the bell on, because next week we're diving into the best cooling solutions for each of these cases. You won't want to miss it. Remember, all the product links with the latest 2025 prices and discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and build smart.